Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here model kit from Daban, and this is the Justice Gundam. But they they put Justice Warrior, so instead of Gundam, it's Warrior. And there we got this metal build version, but in plastic model kit release from the band, and this is the 8A31. So it's a big box, very nicely printed Justice Gundam there, and the back of the box you can see Justice Warrior. So let's check this kit out and let's see how the band 8831 has to offer us collectors. So fangen wir an, los geht's. So the box is really big, and yep, the printout quality of this Justice Gundam here is really nice. Yep, the box is really improving for the band, and yep, it says here 1/100 scale or size like that. And there you can see here 8831. So on the side of the box here we can see again Justice Warrior and the pose, this green goblin pose here, and it has so many nice gimmicks. Can stand on its flight or backpack like that. It can stand on that. And the other side of the box, you can see the front view, rear view, and this gimmicks here. You can see those, and the straight build plus all the accessories included in the kit. So I already open the box here, and before we go to the review, I got a game for you to guess. So here in the Philippines we had this actress, and she's the actress that almost been in any washroom and comfort room in the Philippines. So whose actress is that, if you know? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is Heart Evangelista. She's been in any washroom and bathroom in the Philippines almost, okay? Because she's a cream silk model. Pita jokes. Bullshit. Okay, so we got here the instruction manual, and this is the 8831-100 thing here. So there you can see the parts list. So it has so many parts. Yep. To be honest, I don't like this kit, but I was just curious on how will this kit look like in model kit form. So I just like to see how the band has improved or anything like that. So this is how we can build the kit. So there we can see the kit is not that hard to build, I guess. So there we can see all the parts. It's not that difficult to build, as I can judge the fact that it has so many parts, so don't get intimidated for that. So I can say this is for intermediate builder to advanced builder, but the beginners, it's not that applicable for you yet. Okay, so nothing for that, and we can see here some there articulation, page for articulation for the gimmicks, and just like that. So this is not a colored printout. I wish they did some color printout for this also. Okay, let's go with the packages here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got 14 packages here. So let's check the kits or the runners before we build the kit. And I really like this chrome plated runner here. It's very nice. It's very metallic. It looks really like a metal. So if you're about to look it in a build form, you may think that this is already a metal part, but no, it's just a chrome sprayed runner, which is very nice. So this is runner B, ABS plastic, but oh yeah, this is undergated, so very interesting, very nice. This undergated. So we got here black parts again. This is a matted plastic here. I think this is sprayed plastic also. This is runner G. Excuse me. The pink parts. This is a matted color plastic, a bit sprayed with matted coat. So this is runner C. This maroon colored part here for the wings. This is runner P. This is wing parts, I think. This is runner Q. And this one here, metallic colored platform for the flight pack. This is runner O. We got this very nice chrome or gold, something like that. I forgot what this kind of shade is called. This runner J, by the way. It's nice. Other multicolored runner here, runner A. So we got the chromed plastic parts here. We got the matted silver here, and we got bright silver parts here. Very nice. We got runner N here for this silver parts again, or metallic gray parts. We got here runner H. We got runner K. We got gold colored plastic here for the V-fin. So we got two V-fins here, very nice. This is runner L. Then we got here white parts, runner Y. Then we got here runner R for the shield and for the wing binder. Then we got here runner M. Runner, where's the name for this runner? Yeah, runner E. I really like the pink color of this. Then contrasted by this kind of pink shade, which is very nice. This is runner F. Then we got runner T for this booster parts. Under chrome part here, we got runner D. Then we got this runner S. These chunky pieces here. For the beam saber and beam effect parts, is very nice. There's a sprayed silver portion here at the bottom of the beam saber, which is very nice. I really like this. I might do this soon in my other beam saber effect parts. And we got here for the hands there for the manipulators, and gray colored part for the gun. Then we got here for the chest, and there's this pre-painted silver point there for the Vulcan, I think. And oops, we got pre-painted eyes there, which is very cool. Then we got the clear blue parts for the lenses. Then we got here springs, and this one for the water slide decals. Then we got screws for the action base. Then we got this white parts here for the action base stand. So I didn't open this yet. And there we go. So it has so many intricate and small parts. So be careful when cutting this pieces, especially the chromed ones. So this Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Justice Warrior or the Justice Gundam Bandai copy for metal build Justice Gundam. So this is Daban. Yeah, sorry for that. This is the Daban 8831 model kit. So thank you so much. See you next time on the finished product of this kit. Goodbye. God bless. Take care.